I've been struggling to balance work and rest. My workload often forces me into overtime, and by the time I finally stop, I'm too exhausted to enjoy personal time. Even on weekends, I catch myself checking emails or thinking about unfinished tasks. It feels like I'm always working but never truly resting, and it's draining me.
Today's story is about a challenge in many professionals face. My overtime and rest are out of balance. Yes, it's frustrating to feel like your life is all work and no recharge. You may think if I just push through this week, things will get better. But the truth is, if the pattern continues, stress accumulates. That constant pressure can lead to burnout, health problems, and ironically, lower productivity. In our behavior research, work-life imbalance often comes from blurred boundaries and poor recovery time. Studies show that consistent rest, short breaks, quality sleep, and real downtime is essential for performance and mental health. The brain needs recovery cycles just like muscles do. Without them, focus, creativity, and energy decline. The good news, you don't need a full lifestyle overhaul, even small. Intentional changes can help restore balance. Here are three quite practical tips. First, set a clear work shutdown ritual. At the end of the day, do one small action, like writing tomorrow's to-do list or closing your laptop lid to signal to your brain, work is done. Second, schedule micro breaks. Take 5 to 10 minutes every 90 minutes to stretch, step outside, or simply breathe without screens. These breaks restore focus and reduce fatigue. Third, protect at least one no work block daily. Whether it's dinner time, a walk, or family time, treat that block as non-negotiable. Over time, it builds resilience and prevents burnout. To sum up, create a shutdown ritual, take micro breaks, and protect one no work block daily. Work-life balance isn't about perfection. It's about consistent recovery that sustains your energy long term.